cells. Ganito po yan, ang balat ng tao, pag ang edad mo, hindi pa lampas sa 20, nagpapalit po yan every 28 days. Galing sa pinakailalim, magmamigrate yan pataas, 28 days, hanggang dumating sa pinakaibabaw, wherein, yun na po yung time niya para maualis or ma-exfoliate. So normally, araw-araw, meron pong layer ng balat na na-exfoliate lang. Okay? That is normal, healthy exfoliation. Hindi na po natin kailangan balatan ng ating mga sarili. Okay? Hindi po nakakatulong yun. In fact, nakakasama po yun sa ating balat. What you do is you just scrub properly and it will be exfoliated. Ito pong stratum corneum, yung pinakataas na layer ng balat. This is our debug. Debug lang po yan. Haba pa yun, debug lang. Yan lang po ang dapat matanggal araw-araw. So let's go. Skin types, you have 6. We have the normal, the oily, the dry. We have the combination, sensitive, and the mature skin type. When you reach 50, that's your mature skin type. Now, how do you know what your skin type is? When you wake up, pagkagising mo sa umaga, bago ka maghugas ng mukha, kumuha ka ng tissue, i-block mo sa face mo. Pag may oil yan, oily po yan. Pag wala yung oil, tapos ang feeling ng skin mo is normal lang, hindi naman siya masikip, then you have normal skin. That's good for you. But then if it's dry, but your skin feels tight, masikip ang skin, ang balat, ang feeling nyo, that is dry skin. Pag po combination, yung ibang area meron pa, yung iba wala. Sensitive skin, madaling pumula, madaling pumati, madaling magbalat. Those are the sensitive skin types. Okay? Now, let's go to our cardinal rules of skincare. So, para po sa mga royalista na nandito ngayon, I would like to promote that. Magkamatayan na wala pong hawakan ng mukha. Hindi po hawakan ng inyong mga balat. Nakikiusap po ako. Hindi niyo po alam yaan ang pinaka-major cause kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng mga inflammation sa balat. Inflammation meaning pimples. Kung ano-ano po tumutupo sa balat natin kasi hawak tayo ng hawak sa ating mga mukha. Ang hawak po ng mukha ay pag maghuhugas ka na. Yun lang dapat. Do not make it a habit to touch your face because unang-una, bacteria po ang nasa kamay. Diba? Paglabas mo, pollution yan, dirt yan, ang balat sa mukha nagpo-produce ng oil. Pag po pinagsama-sama yan, tatlong yan, oil, dirt, at saka bacteria, yan po ang acne sa lahat. That can cause your inflammation. So please, let us not make it a habit to touch your face. Second, over-cleansing. Ito na pong linggong ito. Siguro may tatlo akong konsultang royalista na pag naghugas ng mukha, isang hugasan, tatlong gamot, ay tatlong sabon ang ginagamit. Sino pa po dito yun? Walang maamin. Huwag niyo pong gawin yun, bawal yun. Hindi po yun maganda. Kahit power sales yun. Hindi po yun maganda. Nakakasira po yun ng balat. What you could do is, if you really need to use several wash or several cleansers for the face, use one in the morning and one at night. But never more than one in one washing. Bakit? Kasi po when you do that, you are stripping your skin of even the essential oils that it needs to remain healthy. Tandaan niyo po, ang balat na tuyo, madaling kapitan ng kung ano-ano. Madaling pumati, madaling tumanda, madaling magka-linya. Mas mabilis pong tumanda ang tuyong balat. Huwag niyo pong pilitin. Yung po squeaky clean na feeling after washing, that's not healthy. Hindi po yung maganda. I'm telling you, you should not, kahit pagkat huwag niyo po yung i-gold tuwing naghugas kayo ng face. What you could do is isa-isa lang po ang gamit ng sabon. Okay? And speaking of sabon, pag po gumagamit kayo ng sabon, huwag niyo pong ikuspos diretso sa balat. The proper way of using soap to wash your face is to lather it. Dito po sa kamay, pinapabula. Pag pumula na, yung pula na po ang kinukuha ng fingertips and you massage it on your face. Using your fingertips alone, gentle upward circular strokes. Pataas, paikot. Mula leeg hanggang ulo. Diba? Ay hanggang mukha. Pag po natapos ng lagyan yung buong mukha, ang susunod, wag po nating i-marinate ang ating mga balat. Para po sa mga nagbababad ng sabon sa mukha, ito ba mahapdi? Lahat po ng mahapdi, pangit, masama po yun. Wag po natin gawin yun. Pag nalagyan nyo na ng sabon ang inyong mga balat, hinuhugasan po agad. Lalo na po itong mga sabon natin sa Royal, kung napansin nyo, mahapdi siya talaga pag ibababad nyo. Our products are made to be very effective. They are effective enough with proper use lang. Huwag nyo na pong gawing komplikado. Pagkahugas or pagka-apply, tigilan nyo na po yung pagbababad, hugasan ka agad. Okay? And of course, for everybody or for those of you na gumagamit po ng kung ano-ano, kalamansi, suka, toyo, bawang, ganyan, sibuyas, sa balat, hindi ko po naiintindihan kung bakit, pero huwag niyo pong gawin yun. Yung pong pang-ulam, yung mukha po, iisa yan. Huwag niyo pong ulamin ang ating mga mukha, hindi po yun healthy. Hindi ko rin po alam kung bakit may ganon, pero hindi po yun healthy. Those are beliefs, o siguro po, mga paniniwala na kung nagpasa-pasa na, pero hindi po yun magandang ipasa pa. Okay? Let us not use those things. They are not made to be good for our skin. Another thing, yung mga gumagamit po ng kumukulong tubig, mainit, malamig, hanggang yelo sa paghuhugas ng mukha. Naman, summer po, mainit ngayon, sayang ang yelo. Huwag nyo na pong yelohan yung mga balat ninyo. Diba? Ito pong yelong paggamit, naiintindihan ko naman po ito, na inasabi ko ito sa akin. Nakakaliit daw ng pores, diba? Sino gumagawa nun? Walang mami. Hindi po totoong nakakaliit ng pores yun. Malalaki po ang pores. Ang size po ng pore ng isang tao, dahil po yan sa kung gaano karaming oil ang lumalabas dyan. Yung mga taong oily, tingnan niyo po sa salamin, yung mga balat ninyo, pag malalaki po ang pores, oily yun. Okay? At ang gamutan po nun ay nasa loob, hindi po sa gulatan. Dahil po, yung yelo, malamig, nagugulat po yung balat nyo, lumiliit talaga yung pores. Pag inalisin na po yung yelo, lalaki ulit yun. Diba? Nagsayang lang tayo ng yelo, import na import ka pa. Wala namang nangyari. And eventually, pag kumatagal na yung yelo yun doon, nagiging init po yun, nakakasunog po yun ang balat. So these are things that we do to over-cleanse. So wala ka namang mag-cleanse, alam kung ano-ano yung dapat gawin. Whereas pinaka-effective na po, yung isang sabon lang, isang panghugas, tubig sa gripo, at yun lang tamang oras or tamang pag-a-apply, hindi na po binababad. So, mabilis lang yung paghuhugas ng mukha. Of course, under cleansing, huwag naman po tayo hindi na naghugas ng mukha. Siyempre, pangit po lalo. Inflammation, as I said, never touch your face. And puffiness, for those of us who wake up na pagkagising sa umaga, medyo paga ang mata, hindi po yun maganda. What you do is you prop your pillows up a little bit, dalawang unan, para po hindi nag-gravitate papunta sa ulo nyo yung mga tubig sa katawan, para po hindi mamaga ang mata. Kasi po, pag namamaga ang mata lagi, yan po ang nakakakos ng aging, ng pagtanda ng paligid ng mata. Okay? Nagkukulubot po yung mata dahil dyan. So, tigilan po natin yon, lalo na sa mga iyakin, hindi po magandang habit niyang pag-iyak. Okay? Tandaan niyo po, pag may iyak kayo, tatanda kayo. Huwag po kayong umiyak. So, facial expressions, para po ito lahat sa mga tao, lalo na sa kalalakihan, tulog na, nakakunot pa. Sino po ba ang inaaway ninyo sa panaginip, ayaw niyo tigilan ng pagkunot? Nanonood ng TV, nakakunot. Uminom ng kape, nakakunot. Nagbabasa ng dyaryo, nakakunot lahat, kinunot na. Di ba? Hindi niyo po alam, kakakunot nyo, nasusugatan po ang inyong mga balat. When that happens, you form lines. You call that expression wrinkles. Sa mga nagbabasa na ayaw pong mag-reading classes, pero nakasprint naman, yung mga linya niyo po dito, good luck na po form yan. Pag tuloy-tuloy or frequently you do it, ang nangyayari po, pagkakasugat yan, magkakalinya kayo. Ang reading classes po natatanggal, ang linya sa balat, hindi na. Botox na yan. Okay? Sa ating lahat po, na pag naaarawan, silaw na silaw, mag-sunglass na lang tayo. Di ba? Para po hindi kayo nagsispend when you go under the sun. Lalo, ang pinakapangit ng linya, yung meron kang linya dito sa gitna, na hindi ka naman galit, di ba? Pag po sa artista, gumagawa ako ng botox, lahat po yan ginagalaw. Lahat ng linya na maiisip nyo sa mukha, ginagalaw namin na inaalis namin. Pero yung gitna po hindi. Kasi yung mga artista, isipin nyo naman, kung galit na sa TV, wala pang punot. Diba? Mawawalan po sila ng trabaho pag ganun. Hindi po yung ginagalaw. Ngayon po, sa ating normal, isipin nyo naman, tawa na tayo ng tawa dito, meron kayong punot. Pangit din, diba? Pagtawa ka ng tawa, tapos may kunot na dito sa gitna. So you try to prevent that. Huwag po nating parilin ang ating mga facial expressions na dapat hindi natin ginagawa. Pag nagbabasa ka, or siguro po yung pagtulog yan sa habit, di ba? Kung meron po kayong katabing ganunin nyo ng ganunin, hanggang masampal nyo na kasi mayat-maya din kumukunot actually. Pero po, if you are awake, you try to teach yourselves kung kailan ka dapat hindi kumunot. You try to be conscious to teach yourselves na, hey, kumukunot ako, pag mong gawin. Ganon. Pwede po yung mangyari na turuan ko po ang sarili kong ganon. Na huwag kumunot pag alam kong kumukunot ako. You can do it para po i-prevent natin itong mga motion wrinkles. Now, skincare, as I've said, everybody should have one, lalo na pag medyo may edad ka na. Ang normal cell renewal every 28 days, pag po tumatanda ka na, tumatagal din yan. Kaya po ang mga may edad na medyo meron silang gising na pagharap sa salamin, maganda sila. Maliwanag ang mukha. Nagpalit po ang balat nyo niyan. Pag meron kang gising, madilim ang mukha, feeling mo, hindi yata ako maganda ngayon, hindi po nagpalit ang balat nyo noon. Diba? So what you have to do is, have a good regimen, a skincare regimen aside from a healthy lifestyle, a well-balanced nutrition, and applying topical antioxidants. Let's go to our topical antioxidants. Ito po yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, antioxidants, vitamin C, glutathione, lycopene, na pag in-apply mo sa balat, mas maganda ang nagiging epekto niya. Okay? Ito po kasi ang pwedeng gawin ng oxidative stress. Ito po ay free radical formation pa rin sa ating balat. Ito po yung pinag-uusapan natin sa mga bata. Pag nasa-stress ka, hindi nakakaya ng katawan mo ang stress, nagmamanifest po sa balat. Merong pangit effect, di ba? Pero pag kaya ng balat mo ang mga effect na ito, then you could maintain a healthy, youthful skin. These are the basics of our skincare. Madali lang naman po. You have to cleanse your face, you have to tone, you have to moisturize, and of course, when you are going out under the sun, you have to protect. Let's do this. Cleansers. These are our cleansers. Ito po yung mga pwedeng panghugas ng mukha, isa-isa lang. Hindi po sabay-sabay ulit. Okay? At hindi po ito binababad. Do not marinate. Dapat meron itong muna marinate. Ito po, toner para po sa ating mukha. Moisturizers. All of our moisturizers have SPF already, so you're sure that you are protected when you go out under the sun. And of course, this is the lotion for the body. This is a lotion for our sunblock. This has a good sunblock, and of course, it has stem cells, and it gives you a good protection against the sun. And our target treatment, which is our anti-blemish or our Loculant Pure. So let's go to cleansing. Yan, napag-usapan na po natin ito, yung mga tama lang. Doon lang po tayo sa basic, sa tama at sa hindi komplikado. Pagkahugas ng mukha, pagkabasa ng mukha, ilather yung mga sabon sa ating kamay and use your fingertips only to apply the lather gently using circular upward motion. When you do the circular motion, you stimulate lymphatic drainage. Nag-aalis ka po ng toxin sa balat, okay? So, you do not use any other thing para mag-exfoliate. Sabi ko nga po, di ba? May natatanggal lang normal sa balat. Di mo na po kailangan gumamit ng face towel or kahit ano para ikuskos sa balat mo. Nakakasira po yan sa balat. That can actually cause micro-wounding and anything, again, na mahapdi sa balat, itigil nyo na po kasi hindi po yun maganda. Sugat po yan. Those are micro-wounds. And of course, do not leave on the lather. Yung po mga sabon, huwag natin ibabad sa ating mukha. And then you just wash immediately your face with lukewarm water. And lastly, when you dry your face, what you do is get a clean towel, a soft one, and you pat your skin dry. Huwag nyo naman pong tuyuin. Yung mga balat nyo, akala nyo prep. Ganyan. Sobrang makakuskus. Yung mga lalaki kung makakuskus ng balat, pag nagpapatuyo, kitang-kita ko yun. Sobrang makaganon, hindi po yun maganda. Anything that could irritate the skin is not good. Natandaan niyo po yun. Anything na mahapdi, yung akala niyo mapula, cute, hindi po. Pag naalis po yung pula, itim yun. Hindi po yun maganda. So let us try to prevent irritating our skin. So I hope this is okay. And these are our bar soaps that we could use for cleansing our face. These are indications. This can help us with this following indications or conditions. The moisturizing or anti-aging soap is called anti-aging kasi po pag medyo matanda ka na, nawawala na ng moisture ang balat. But then this is a very mild soap. This is good for everybody who has dry skin, who has hypersensitivities or allergies, and it could be used for kids. Pwede po ito sa mga bata. So, toner. Sino po nagto-toner? Who uses Pinkish Glow toner? Ayan, hindi pa tayo lahat nagto-toner. No? But then I would like to encourage everybody to use a toner, lalo na po kung gumagamit kayo ng moisturizer. If you think that toning and cleansing is one and the same, hindi po. Okay? Unang-una po, magkaiba yun ng spelling. Pag cleansing, pag toning po iba yun. When you say toning, ito po ang primary function ng mga toner sa ating balat. They prepare our skin to be more receptive to the nutrients that you will apply next. So if you are using moisturizers, pag nag-toner ka, mas natatanggap ng balat yung mga laman ng moisturizer. Hindi na po cleansing. So actually, when you use a toner, pwedeng basain mo lang yung skin mo, let it dry, that's toning already. You do not have to rub it into the skin. Naiintindihan po? When I use my toner, when I buy a toner, all my toners, I transfer them on a spray bottle. I spray them on my face, on my neck, on the brow line, on the brow area, and on my kilikili. Kasi, when you use it on these areas, you prevent the formation of warts. Yung kung mga nagpatanggal na o nagpasunog na ng warts, it will prevent a recurrence or the formation if you always toner those areas. And then, I do not dry them. I do not rub them in. I just allow it to air dry. Tapos yun na po yun. That's toning already. If you have any part of the body that you would want to tone or you would want to refine, then use a toner on those areas as well. Okay? So this is our toner. This is Pinkish Glow toner. This is water-based. This is non-irritating, non-drying. This is non-comedogenic, and because it is gentle, you could use this around the eye area. Pwede po ito sa paligid ng mata. Okay? So there you go for all skin types and for all ages. This is recommended. Let's go to moisturizing. We moisturize because gusto natin to keep our skin young. Pag nga natutuyo ang balat, when your skin is very dry, mas mabilis po yung kumanda. That's why moisturizers are a must because they help fight aging. After you tone, if you want to use several moisturizers, what you could do is apply the moisturizer, the first one, and then wait for like 2 to 3 minutes. Hintayin nyo lang kung ma-absorb ng balat ninyo yung unang cream. And then after that, you could apply the next one. Pwede po iyon. Sunod-sunod na cream or patong-patong. Basta naghihintay lang tayo na ma-absorb before you apply the next one. Ayaw lang natin ng saturation. Okay? And of course, these are our creams or our moisturizers. This is good for the face and for the body. You could whiten any part of the body with this moisturizer. Our L-Gluta Power Lightening and Smoothening could be used on the body as well. And our L-Gluta Power, yan, anti-aging moisturizing or anti-aging could be used for any areas that is dry. I have when I see the distributors or when I see realistas in the clinic, nagugulat sila na pwede pala sa katawan daw yung mga moisturizers natin. Of course it is. Lalo na po if you are of medyo may edad ka na and your arms, yung balat po sa arms medyo nagda-dry, you could use this for those areas that are dry. And so these are the indications for our moisturizers. These are the conditions for which you can use the moisturizers, our given moisturizers. And so, our Pinkish Glow, this is good for all teenagers, for all those at the puberty stage. Lahat po ng mataas ang oil production. For people who are oily, you could use this. Kasi po, this goes on dry and it has a powdery matte finish. It helps absorb oil sa balat. Okay, so it helps control or it helps remove all excess oil from the skin. Again, all of our moisturizers, they have a lot of topical antioxidants like lycopene, glutathione, and all of them has SPF already. When we talk of SPF, we talk of sun protection. When you use a sunblock, SPF 15, okay na po yun. If you're using sunblock for the body, for swimming or something, okay na po yung SPF 15 because any other SPF, pag po nabasa, kahit ano pa yan, SPF 800 yan. Pag nabasa po yan, you have to reapply it. Okay? Any sunblock, pag nabasa, you have to reapply. And for any sunblock that you're going to use, now you have to allow mga 30 minutes before kayo lumabas sa araw. Meron na po kasi mga sunblock ngayon, meron silang activation time. You avoid the sun from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Those are the times na sobrang bad po ng rejection ng araw. So, avoid the sun during those times. Ito po yan. As I've said, ultraviolet rays. Pag naarawan ka, ang gagawin ng balat mo para po huwag magkaroon ng free radical formation is to produce the melanin that causes skin darkening, the eumelanin. Ang problema pag ang katawan mo hindi makagawa ng enough or ng maraming eumelanin na kukuha or mag-absorb na ang lahat ng UV radiation, that's when you get your sunburn. Ito pong sunburn na ito, paulit-ulit po ito, this causes mutation, unang-una, and this causes cancer. Pag frequently this happens, it can lead to cancer. This is the problem with those Caucasians, with those people who has white skin. Mapuputi ang balat sa mga Amerikano, okay? Because their body doesn't have or cannot produce as much melanin as needed, gustong-gusto nilang mag-tan. So, painit sila ng painit, hindi naman po sila magtatan. Yung skin type nila hindi kayang mag-tan. Ang kaya lang nun masunog. So, sunog na sunog, ayun, nagiging cancer. Sa atin, among us, pwede po tayo mag-tan. We can, our skin tans, kasi po nakakapag-produce tayo ng melanin. And the problem begins there. Pag po kasi nasusunog sa loob ang balat mo, or nag-iiba sa loob dahil nasusunog siya ng araw, in comparison, pareho po yan ng edad, mas pangit pag nasusunog ang balat or nadadamage ng araw. Hanggang loob, nadadamage din. And mutation can start from there. Diyan po kasi nag-iba-iba na yung itsura ng mga cells mo sa loob, nagkakaroon ka ng cancer. That's the cause of that. Now, ang sinabi po natin kanina, di ba, when you give your L-Gluta Power Capsule, what we promote is the removal, elimination, or inhibition of eumelanin production. Tama po, hindi? Eumelanin being the nakakaitim na melanin, di po ba? Pag inaalis natin yun sa balat, nabawalan tayo ng nag-absorb ng UV rays. Tama? So, ano nang gagawin natin? Hindi naman natin pwedeng bilang mga realista, we should be responsible, hindi naman natin pwedeng iwanan na lang sa ganun ng mga tao. What you always do is you give your L-Gluta Power Lightening Lotion. When somebody comes to you asking for the capsules, the L-Gluta Power Capsules, because they want to whiten your skin, you make sure you advise them to use the lotion. Kasi yung hindi na kayang gawin ng brown pigment, igagawin na nitong ating lotion. This doesn't absorb UV radiation, but this deflects. Pinapa-bounce niya po yung UV radiation sa balat. Okay? Now, let's go to our Lopulant line. Now, the Lopulant line has stem cell activators. Pag nagkakaedad ka na, say 30 above, your stem cells, they become inactive. And stem cells sa balat, they produce your collagen and your fibers. And your fibrils, your elastins, those things that prevents your skin from sagging. But then with stem cell activators, they become active again. So yung sarili mong stem cell, sila na yung nagpo-produce ng kailangan mong collagen, which gives you over time. Hindi nga lang po agad-agad, but then if you continuously use the Lopulant skincare line, over time napipigilan po yung pagtanda ng balat. It could prevent the formation of lines and wrinkles, and it can improve existing lines and wrinkles. The Lopulant line in itself could be your standalone regimen. At itigan mo lang yun ang toner regimen na po yan, yung cleanse, you tone, yung moisturizer, and of course, you protect. Now, all of them, they have stem cell activators and they have a lot of nutrients for the skin. This is our Lopulant Lumiere. Ito po ang may epekto sa pores. Ayan. Because this has salicylic acid, an alpha-hydroxy acid, this can actually help refine the pores. Ito po ay nakakatulong para apektuhan na yung mga pores nyo. Kasi gumagamit tayo ng kalamansi o luya o asukal, ano ba yan? O mga yellow. Hindi po yun totoo, ito po ang totoong nakakagawa or nakakatulong sa ating pores. Since the salicylic acid is a keratolytic, tinutulungan niya po yung pores mo na lumiit. Ayan. So this could refine your pores. This is a good exfoliant also na hindi po harmful. So this is good for all ages and for all skin types. Salicylic acid on its own nakaka-dry. But since the formulation of this one is in foam formulation or yung preparation niya is foam, hindi po siya nakaka-dry. Okay, so everybody could use the Collabio here. Now let's go to Rejuve. Rejuve is a very, very good moisturizer. Actually, if you're going to use this together with other moisturizers in our skincare line, you always use this as the base. Ibig sabihin, pinakauna po laging ina-apply. This is a lot of nutrients, a lot of antioxidants, and a lot of stem cell activators. Okay, this promotes clarity of the skin. Pinapaalis niya po yung mga pigmentations, pinapaliit niya yung pores, and this will give you a more youthful appearance over time. Dahil po lang dyan, sa lahat po ng nag-BB cream, if you will use our BB cream, the first thing you will notice is that ito po ay fluid. Mas fluid, una, mas madaling i-apply. Pangalawa, mas madaling i-blend. Pangatlo, mabilis mag-adapt yung kulay sa balat. Isa lang po ang kulay nito and it's adapted to all skin colors. Sino nag-BB cream? Yan. At saka matagal niyo po itong gagamitin. Only need a little kasi maganda po yung coverage ng Gabulantian. And as you use it na parang foundation or powder, it also helps promote the formation of your collagen and elastin. So, dahil po natin itong ating hygienic preparation, which is our antiperspirant. Para po sa mga nagpapawis ang balat, ang kamay, for those of you who sweat sa palad or sa paa, you could apply this at the soles of your feet or the palms of your hand to control sweating. Para po ma-help control yung sweating. There are people na sobrang kung magpawis ang kamay. Makakatulong po ito. Okay, for the ladies na pag nagmamataas kayong sandals, pag nababasa yung paa, nagsaslide ka sa sandals, you could also apply this on the soles of the feet para po ma-prevent yung pagbasa ng paa. Okay? And of course, sa areas na may friction, for example, sa in between the legs among girls, pag po nag-friction or nagkikiskisan yung mga legs, nagkakaroon ng darkening. Lalo na po pag nagkasugat, that is very bad. You could just apply this on those areas to prevent friction. Okay? And of course, this is a very, very potent antiperspirant and deodorant for everybody. Okay, we have one for male and one for female. Let's go to our lipstick. So our lipstick doesn't have anything that is harmful, that can harm the health or the environment. This is highly pigmented. For those of you na gumagamit nito, alam niyo po, diba, na matagal yung pigment na hindi siya madaling maalis. And it has antioxidants, it has shea butter for nourishment and for moisturization. This could be used by pregnant women. For those of you wondering, pwede po ito. So, that completes our product line. I hope everybody learned something. Remember that when you offer the products of Royal, I hope, lalo na po sa mga unang first-timers nandito, I hope I made it clear or it had been clear kung ano po yung pwede natin gawin with our products. And so when you offer our products, you just put in mind na hindi lang po produkto, basta yung binibigay natin, we are offering people a new lifestyle. Dito po kasing health and wellness is a choice, okay? Pinipili po ito, hindi po ito basta-basta lang. Sa atin dito na nagro-royal, I'm sure the first time you took your supplement or vitamin C, naisip nyo na rin na ano kaya mag-exercise ako. Because you try to choose that. Pinipili po natin maging healthy. So if mare-reject ka, do not make it a big deal. Just move on to the next person because somebody else could be or could benefit from being healthy. Okay? I hope everybody learned something new. I hope I helped you para po mas makilala yung mga produkto natin. Ayan. Do we still have time? Do you want to do a facial demo? Okay. And sino muna? Tanong ko po, sinong gustong mag-demo tayo? Okay. Ayan, mag-wash na po siya ng face. We're going to use our local